we're much happier, and I think it comes out in the movie. So yeah.
Sa kissing scene naman po, wala naman pong naiba. Same pa rin po, kahit dati sa Otwal.
Kasi di ba, mas nakikita sa mata niyo together.
Sorry po?
Your eyes speak mas realistic when you're doing those scenes na you do love scenes together na you're in love.
Tapos may sparkle pa, ate? Yan ba ibig mo sabihin?
Yes.
Hindi, sorry po, hindi ko po marinig.
Mas may glow, may sparkle yung ano nyo.
I guess, ganun po talaga pag in love. Yeah, I know. Ano po, nagka-glow ka po talaga, I guess. Naging bloom and stuff like that. Si Derek, huwag naman tawanan. Na yun po.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Ate Glenn. Now naman.